If you want to make sure it's on the follow, subscribe and tune in. You can't miss all the good excitement, yeah. Yeah. Peter again, live, YouTube, and I'm not good.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? Right now I just left work, so I'm going to Attribution because you guys know it's like fashion's night out, so you know your girl gotta be spending now, you know. Yeah. What? This girl don't do it. I just went to the ATM and withdraw my money, so don't do that. Yeah, girl. So why would I go to Attribution and waste time, huh? And I got videos to edit. She's so awful. Anyways, we're going to the taxi stand right now, so let's go to Attribution and spend in fashion night out.
She wanna spend, that's my shit.
Yeah, but I think so. Fashion night out 2018, so yeah.
Hey guys, my name is Danielle. You can follow me on IG at Your Majesty Danny. So Your _ Majesty _ Danny. So we're here shopping. And we're in House of Styles right now.
Where are you going to just go?
What? So, oh no, I don't get any pants for myself. I bought things for Bay. Yeah, I'm that type of girl. Yes, I bought my Bay stuff. But I know I don't get anything for myself, so I'm looking for something. Guys, don't go shopping when you're half broke, right? Don't do it. Don't ever do it. So I'm half broke right now. I'm gonna go fully broke going shopping, but it's fine. The Lord will provide. So I'm not like nothing now. Wait, them pants are alright, but I don't know them pants are gonna fit me. The F3. What is that? How much are them pants? 7,000. What? 7,000? Yeah. You must be mad. 5,000 for a pack? Alright, half of 5,500 at much.
2,000. That's story now go with them. Where she gone? Where Kimon gone? I can't stand her more time. She just move like mother. Because I'm can't walk now easy. Want me tumble? No. She right, yeah. Oh well. Me I do.
Right now here. Oh, you did that? Who been looking for you?
When you're party, you have to look at the flower.
We should take out. We take out? We should take out. I go where to pay this?
No.
Where?
Up the road.
I don't care to get a pants. I saw life for us here. I like this pants, but it's just too
This just
big.
shopping is rough.
Yeah, it's rough as hell.
But if you go downtown, where that happen?
But I find a pants long time. Maybe the downtown to find pants.
It's a full black. But this is too
No, so what me all them pants have to look like say a rare town me I go. The bare foot I go.
We will find something.
Like where? Like where?
Guys, right now we're going to Payless, so I buy one shoe. Sorry. Huh? Oh, really? That's what you saw? You like them sneakers? Yeah. How much of them? I don't know the price. $4,000. Oh. You know what? Now that's all the time. You know
high school?
This is nice too, guys. What you think? Would you on this whole day for more than 8 hours?
But we still for more than 8 hours.
Oh yeah. Guys, it's a stress to find a shoes for me. I did this, but I'm not come out here unless we get one shoe, maybe all two.
Want something like this?
I forgot all.
Where go?
Oh, up on Friday. Okay.
So, this is small. Don't mind the hair, I'm a mess. But yeah, I'm gonna try them one now. So, hold on. What do you guys think? Oh my god, it took a lot out of me. Actually, these on. They fit. Be good.
Guys, right now I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm just miserable. I didn't go to the shop right now. It's like I need some food. And the things that me want is the mom's size, so I just ate some. So I just need some food. So I'm really fun. Alright. What can I eat in the morning?
Yeah.